What's going on, everybody? It's Sonora here from Robert Tesley, and today it's gonna be fun because we're gonna go down to the waterfall and check it out. It's not the easiest way down there, but I'm enjoying it. I'm here, and that's where I want to go. A beautiful waterfall. So, yeah. Alright, so I've successfully made it down here through that rough bit of hiking section, the stream, waterfall, waterway, whatever you have to call it. So I'm gonna go here, step on some rocks, just make sure I don't slip and die. Come over here. So this is looking beautiful. And it was definitely a bad idea to wear jeans on a waterfall because, well, I get wet and it's very hard to dry these out.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see when I could hardly walk on my own.